Hey, it's Chris Pierce with the PR Properties Real Estate Group coming at you again to present to you our newest listing, Unit 417 at 20259 Michaud Crescent, the City Grande. This beautiful one-bedroom, one-bathroom unit is very sizable, more than 700 square feet, and it sits right in the beating heart of Central Langley. There's a lot of things going on in this area now, so come check this out and don't miss your chance to be a part of this growing neighborhood. We're excited to show it to you. Come on in. Thank you so much for spending time with us today on our video tour for this beautiful new listing. We're really excited to show it to you. So we invite you to come be a part of all of the exciting changes that are happening right here in Central Langley. Call us, text us, email us, get a hold of us any one of those ways, and we will be happy to show you this fantastic property. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.